How to reset Face ID on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Face ID and passcode. For security purposes, you will be required to enter your device passcode to proceed. After entering your passcode, you will see the Face ID and passcode menu, which shows all the features that are currently using Face ID. Scroll down until you find the option Reset Face ID. Tap the Reset Face ID button. All your previous Face ID data will be immediately and securely erased, allowing you to start fresh and set up a new facial scan for improved accuracy and security. Following these steps, you can easily reset Face ID on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.